Thutha wa igoti nene gwitikiria bunge ya bururi guthie nambere na mihang'o ya guthurima aria mamuritwo ta makamishna kamiti-ini ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC, umuthi kamiti ya bunge igie watho na KIHTO nitirihire mihang'o eno. Uria wamuritwo ta MUIKARIRI ERASTUS ETHAKON, aria mamuritwo ta makamishna Anderito, Moses Mkwana, Mary Sorobi, Hassan Noor, Francis Odhiambo na Fahima Abdalla nimekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ino mihang'o iria itongoririo ni MUIKARIRI wayo George Murugara. ETHAKON akigere kwa KABIRU ndeto igie mendekithia matoto ma kuregana na kwamurwo gwake ni wiyumiririe ukirikana ahota kwenderera mwena wa President William Ruto hindi ya githurano ni undu wa ndogo yake na murugamiriri wa aruti wira thingira-ini wa irigi Josephat Nanok riria amutungatagira ta wakiri ari governor wa Turkana.
They perceive that you'd be biased in favor of the current president by virtue of the fact that you have an association with the former governor of Turkana.
Whatever the relationships, whether familial or friendship or people you have gone to school with, IEBC must not be under the control or direction of anybody whatsoever, any person or authority. And that if I, as a chairman, once you confirm me, if I misbehave in the process, the provisions of Article 251 will check in. Any member of the public, any citizen of this country can petition this house, this parliament, to remove me for any gross misconduct.
ETHAKON ni akinyiriirie wona ahitukio egutungata agitongorio ni gatiba na mawatho ma bururi wa Kenya ari gutongoria kamiti ya IEBC.
Play my role as chairperson in the sense that I will be guided by the Constitution of Kenya and the laws of Kenya, and that through that fidelity to the law, I should be able to follow all the laid down processes that will lead us to credible, free, fair, verifiable elections.
Ciuria no ciyumiririe ciigie kwamurwo kwa Anderito kamiti-ini ino kuona kwa ihinda riri niwe mwandikithia wa ciama agitetera auga ndari arahitukio gutuika kamishna kamiti-ini ya IEBC na gwakinya ni ahitukio watho ni uheanite ihinda riake gugatiga wira ta mwandikithia wa ciama.
You are currently serving as the registrar of political parties and therefore you are ineligible. The question is this: are you a state officer or a public officer?
I wanted to draw your attention to a ruling by the National Assembly Speaker on this matter. And it was ruled on 4th of December 2014 when one person who was a state officer was before a committee and it was supposed to be approved by Parliament on account of his nomination for appointment as a cabinet secretary. Such a member will only be required to vacate office by tendering his resignation just before assuming the office of the cabinet secretary.
Thank you. Nominee, appointment and nomination. You've won the distinction. Next question.
Akigere kwa KABIRU Hassan Noor ni atateire ritwa riake gukuruhania muthia-ini mihang'o-ini ya uthurimi ni kamiti ya mwanya ya kwambura makamishna aya ameba mwe kamiti-ini ino oho makimuthingiriria ataririe ngwataniro yake na mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini Junet Mohamed.
His later inclusion appears to be an afterthought. I don't know by who. That is the worry with the Kenyans seeing him coming in.
I believe that my inclusion is a role that the panel has found it necessary to do, and therefore I found myself on the list, and I was glad. I asked for it, I applied for this position, and I want Kenyans to believe that. I am related to Honorable Junet Mohamed. I am his brother-in-law. Mr. Chairman, as his brother-in-law, I existed long before Junet was born. But I am Junet's brother-in-law.
When you are discharging your duty, if this commission approves you, we will always bear that in mind, so that if there is any appearance of bias, it's worse than bias itself.
Ona gutwika igoti ni riratikiririe mihang'o ya guthurima makamishna aya ithii na mbere, igoti ni rirarugamirie gucabithio kwa maritwa mao na kuhitithio nginya riria macira ma kuregana na kwamurwo kao marithikiririo na gutuo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.